lot of stories told regarding dogs, pets, owner Uncle Drugs Community 22, etc. in Barricade free vaccine to all. Pets and the owner care to their animals in responsible way health. Medical needs at Patty's Vets Clinic and many more household. Houses for the animals and the human. Little they will assure the concern will be provided based on financial capabilities. Concern regarding of bills payments. Electricity already touched the live and ground. Wonders how stupid it is we all got the drive. Goods got my spaghetti. Sauce CL real rice to the community of population. Thanks to all officials in Amlin Barricade. Government LGU workers, the Kagawans, animal welfare. To all doctors and my animals always be respectful like human. Pets on the beach, home bathing, so they feel fresh like a fish. Tuna so that would be today. Hope we enjoy the Thanksgiving Assembly community. Bobby and the rest, we all wait for the payments to be paid. See you on the next page's slides. On this videos, guys.
Schedule na dyan mo. Doon na.
Wala na ito ginaaktiman. So, kinahanglan po na namin sila ibuon. No? Kaya para dili sila mag...
Kami og libre injeksyon sa rabies sa Iraq. That is a very important.
Ikaw may umakuan, sir. Regarding anang anti-rabies o kanang pag-spray o neuter, pwede mo makaduol ka, sir, kaya in kaso na ay mga schedule na lang na libre. Sir, sa? Subaw sila kung in kaso na ay libre, spray o neuter. Dili. So, muna to. Una, makasabot ang tanan. Una, pa
Number 23, Alicia.
Ano sa may apelido ni Alicia? Alicia na? Nay, Alicia?
Alicia Chua.
Allowed as a dili. And where kami sa barangay, Dara. Tubagan. Nako itubag ni mo na, ulit.
Si Jeanette Marina. Mao ang nananaog sa atong ginakusgang payong. Lima ka bugas. Okay, lima na po ni kabugas mga higala. Huwag na ata sa numero 14. Florida Nalipay. Next, konsihan. Number Marley.
Takes a while para i-check sila, pero at least yun na kita. Okay? So, bakit ayaw nagawag yung mga pangatanan? Shanghai, Pamplona, Pagdudyan. Okay?
Needs. So, hindi na kinahanglan kayong daghan. So, to add more sa ako ang istorya, si Mamilka ang mo highlight na